Welcome to this demonstration of the connector for Microsoft Dynamics CRM and Microsoft Dynamics SL. Today's project organizations rely on Microsoft Dynamics SL for productive, connected, efficient accounting and business management. Now, these same organizations can combine Microsoft Dynamics solutions to connect to customer information and deliver a familiar experience that drives business value. In this demonstration, you'll see how the connector for Microsoft Dynamics allows people using either Microsoft Dynamics CRM or Microsoft Dynamics SL to update and share common customer information. Nancy, a sales executive, uses Microsoft Dynamics CRM to keep track of her prospects and customers. When her company recently installed the connector, existing customer information from Microsoft Dynamics SL was automatically loaded into Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Now, let's see how customer information added to Microsoft Dynamics CRM can be shared back to Microsoft Dynamics SL. Nancy uses Microsoft Dynamics CRM to create a new account. She enters account details such as addresses and phone numbers. She also enters a credit limit and billing terms, and then saves the new account. Nancy now has the ability to turn this account into a Microsoft Dynamics SL customer for ongoing accounting and business management. She does this by clicking the Submit button. Behind the scenes, the connector automatically passes account data from Microsoft Dynamics CRM to Microsoft Dynamics SL according to the existing account-to-customer map. Mapping configurations can be customized as needed. The event log confirms the successful transfer of one new record, which is the Fabricam account Nancy just entered. Now, let's see how Michael, an account manager, can use Microsoft Dynamics SL to view and interact with the same information Nancy just entered in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. From the Customer Maintenance window in Microsoft Dynamics SL, Michael searches for the new account using the customer ID. Microsoft Dynamics SL finds the new Fabricam account and pre-populates the information Nancy entered, such as credit terms, addresses, and contact information. Now that the customer and the account are connected, as new information is entered using either Microsoft Dynamics SL or Microsoft Dynamics CRM, it will be updated in both systems. Michael adds a customer contact for this new account. To facilitate integration with Microsoft Dynamics CRM, he chooses the contact type Other. He adds a contact name and salutation, and copies the address and phone number from the main account. Then he adds an email address and saves the new contact. Just as before, the connector works behind the scenes to pass data automatically from one system to the other, so that each is always up to date. To illustrate this, let's switch back to Nancy's point of view as she reviews the updated account in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Nancy sees the contact that Michael just entered in Microsoft Dynamics SL, along with the associated contact details. With the connector for Microsoft Dynamics, both Nancy and Michael always have access to the latest customer information, no matter which solution they use. As you've just seen, the connector for Microsoft Dynamics allows organizations to connect customer information and deliver a familiar experience that drives business value.